Hey guys, this is my bakery gift box that's been pretty popular, and I've had so many messages asking me if I can change the text here to something completely custom. And my answer is you can in Cricut Design Space. It's a pretty simple step, and I will walk you through the process. And maybe you have other SVG files too that you want to customize, and hopefully this video can help you with that as well. So let's get started. First, open Design Space and upload your file. I like to just drag and drop, but if you can hit browse to navigate to your file as well. And so first we're just going to go through and delete all the other layers in here that aren't the sign. So just select them all and then hit your delete key. I know there's kind of a lot. Or you can hit that button as well. So here's just your bakery sign. So you'll want to go into shapes and hit the square and make sure you get the one with the hard edges, not the rounded edges. And add that in. And you might want to zoom in quite a bit just so you can see exactly what you're doing. And put the corner, match the corner to the corner in the gold sign there. And then hold down the shift key to pull over the side. I don't know why you drag and drop it keeps the square shape. You have to hold the shift key down to edit it the other way. I think that's kind of weird. But anyway, so then do the same thing to the bottom and make sure you've cut off all of the text, but you don't want to cut into the sign too much. And then select both layers and hit this slice tool. And then I hit the eyeball first just to make sure I know what I'm deleting, and then I go back through and delete them. And then you have just the outline of your sign. So then you'll go to text, which pops up out of nowhere, but you just zoom out and then you can put them close together. And then zoom back in so you can see what you're doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna use Cricut Sans for this one because it's free for you and me, so it just makes it easier. But you can also pick from any of these fonts. One other thing is that you can click up here and select any of the fonts that you already have loaded on your computer so that you're not paying for a new font and if you don't like the Cricut Sans. But again, I'm just gonna go with Cricut Sans because that's what we both have. And I'm going to change it to bold so that it's not italicized. And then I'm going to double click it and then add my text, which I'm going to do bun in the oven because my last request for custom text on this gift box was a girl who is using these for her baby shower. So I'm just going to go with that text. I think it's cute. So you'll size it into the frame. And you'll need to change it. Well, okay. So yeah, you'll need to change the color to be the same as the gold, and then just zoom in, and you need to make sure that the top and the bottom both have some overlay of the sign, just so that when you connect them, they will actually connect, if that makes sense. And select both layers and align. I'm going to do vertically and horizontally, but then look back because sometimes the horizontal one might not quite be right. I'm going to click mine and just use the arrow button to have it go down one, and then select both layers and use the combine tool to unite the two layers, and then go back and look and make sure that all of these pieces connect, that there aren't any lines cutting the letters off. And that's it. Go ahead and cut it, and then it will fit your bakery. So that's how you add any custom text that you want. And if there's other SVG files that you have with text, you can pretty much do the same thing. And hopefully this video helps you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. And if you have any requests, feel free to send them my way. Thanks so much. Hope you have a great day.